Hi everyone, I'm Mike with Work Truck West. I'm the accounts manager and I look after the majority of all our municipal accounts. So for the last couple of years, we've been focusing on Municipal Connects. So what this is we do approximately 150 different municipal trucks every year through our facility. And we just wanted to share the different projects with our different customers, as you all have the similar fleets and use trucks with the similar features. That way you can see what other people are doing. So today we wanted to feature a unit we recently completed. This was a unit for the city of Delta. This particular truck is for the utilities pump truck. So the idea behind this truck is to go around and servicing pumps and lifting pumps and working on different pumps around the city. We have an 11-foot aluminum crane body. We have in cabinet number 1, we've got the battery storage for the 3,000 watt inverter. That includes plug-in charging, so you can plug in the truck overnight, and then in the morning your batteries will be charged, ready to go. In the second cabinet, we feature an 8-drawer tool chest, pull-outs with dividers inside all cabinets for tool storage. All the cabinets also feature LED cabinet lighting all throughout for any night work that you need to do. Third cabinet here, we feature a couple more pull-out drawers. We also have a pull-out work surface tray or whatever that you can work off of. And then you got the 3,000 watt inverter up on top. You have LED backup lights. As soon as you put the truck into reverse, these lights will come on and it'll cast light right behind you so you see where you're backing up. This particular truck, they wanted a hydraulic pressure washer. So we have a 3,000 PSI pressure washer that runs off the same hydraulic system as the crane. We also have the hose reel that comes out a rear hatch back door for the pressure washer as well. You'll also have all the hydraulic controls for the outriggers. So this particular crane is the Cobra 6,800 pound crane. It's got about 21 feet of reach. It'll lift about 6,000 pounds beside the truck and about 1,500 pounds at 21 feet. So a nice feature that we added on to this particular crane is a couple of LED work lights up at the end of the boom. With this, you can take your crane, you can put it over the hole or the well where the pump is, and it'll cast light right in the hole so you can hook the hook onto the pump and lift up your pump. So on the back of the truck now, different features are flip-up steps on either side for easy access. We also have a rear plug tied into the inverter system for plugging in. We got LED amber flashers, LED work lights, and then we also have a vise that can go on either side of the bumper to work off of. Inside our load space, we got the E-tracking going down either side. With this E-tracking, you can have J-hooks, you can do rope rings, you can do all sorts of different fastening onto your sidewalls for storage. And then we also have our water tank that's tied into our pressure washer system. So with this water tank, you can either run water through your tank, or you can also hook up the city connection for the water to run the pressure washer off of. And then at the top, we got their LED beacon, and we also have our traffic director stick. The driver's side of the truck, as this is going to be on the road side, and typically you guys can be working off of the road, it's mostly storage set up on here. So in the rear cabinet, we just have a couple adjustable shelves. The over wheel cabinet, we have a couple more pull-outs. We also feature some bolt bin dividers and everything inside there for different fittings, and another pull-out work tray, a couple more adjustable shelves. And then in the first cabinet, we leave it open, and that way you can put hooks and you can store different gear, rain gear. You can put anything that's taller that needs to be stored away into this front cabinet here. When you're putting a package like this together, there's lots of details that need to be covered and gone over. So it's great when we can work direct with you. What we'll do is if you tell us what's in your budget, we have upcoming, what the needs are for the truck, we can assist you with all the different aspects of the truck and different options that may be available that are better suited for you. So if you have any trucks in your upcoming budget, let me know and I'll happily work with you on it, and we can develop RFP tender specs or whatever that you need to assist you in the purchases for your fleet. Thanks for your time.